Hello, you're welcome to this 3 days amazing workshop. I can assure you, you have never seen anything like this before. You're going to be discovering how to launch profitable digital product business without any experience, and that is what we're going to be discussing. I don't know what you are doing now. You have to schedule your 3 days program. If you have registered with a correct email address, and then you're on the right path. You're about to do something good. Maybe things you have never had before. Now I can assure you of that. So our topic is how to launch profitable digital product business without any experience. This is a 3 days workshop series. Like I've said, if you stayed to the end and you completed the 3 days series, I can assure you, you are going to be grateful to God Almighty. I don't want to say you're going to thank me, but you're going to be grateful to God Almighty that made you to come across my message before you register for this workshop. Now, if you use correct email address, the next 2 days lectures, which will be follow up to what we are learning, to what we're going to be discussing today, will be sent to your email address. So if you have used non-active email address, I'm sorry, you will not be able to receive those links for the next two lectures that will come in the next 24 hours and the next 48 hours. So that is it. Um, Also, this lecture, I cannot guarantee you if a replay will be available each of this lecture. And what I can tell you, the video will be taken down after some time. So now that you are here, take your time to go through the video to the end. So although we try to make the workshop to be as short as possible, we also try to make sure that we really deliver value. We really had something. We don't want to waste your time. We want you to learn something. We want you to discover something, things that will change your life. So we'll not be in a hurry to make it short, I can assure you, but at the same time we don't want to waste your time. So do create enough time to go through this workshop series from today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow. The videos will be taken down, so make sure you watch now that you have opportunity to watch. Thank you. Now let me assure you of something. If you have been looking for a profitable, good profitable business, like profitable and sustainable business, I'm not talking about those waste of time kind of things that people do. And so if you are looking for sustainable and profitable business, very good one that will change your current situation for good. I don't know what your situation is now. Maybe you are at that high, medium, low, or high level, but whatever the situation, I believe you have not made enough money. Yes, yes, so you need more. So this lecture is going to be the best event you attend this year, and I can assure you, for people who have attended my lectures, I always deliver value. So this is going to be the best event because you're going to learn things that will shock you, that will change your financial fortune. I can tell you that. Let me combine the two: financial fortune. This now, are you? Let me ask you. Okay, this is a rhetoric question. Are you worried about naira depreciation? To be honest with you, in the past, I used to get worried. As a Nigerian, if you live in Nigerian, you are going to get worried about value of naira because most of items that are imported are going to go up and it's going to affect our local economy. But like in 2016, I told a friend of mine, I said it is time for me to change what I do. Every Nigerian who love himself now, especially some of us who are young who have access to digital information, we should be earning in dollars. Yes, so that when the dollar finally become 1,000 to 1 naira, so you have not much to lose. Now, if I pull out $2,000 right now from my domiciliary account or from my business in international platform, I put it down to my domiciliary account, I'm not gonna change in the bank, or I'll just look for a bureau de change. $2,000 is going to be getting me something like 1 million naira. And if I pull out $10,000, that's going to be like 5 million naira. 5 good million naira. I can assure you of that. Can you imagine? So, why that's why I'm smiling. You know why I'm smiling? I have businesses. I have businesses that hand from international, I have business that hand local. So I'm not going to feel the impact of Naira. Don't feel bad if you are not earning dollars. Just keep on learning, keep on develop a digital business strategy, not just the mindset of make money nonsense that people do online. Now, before I proceed for this for today's workshop and the next 3 days, the series, I believe is it is fair I tell you a little about myself and the reason why you should listen to me. I'm Richard Aushola Lebelo. I'm a seven figures digital business entrepreneur. Yes, seven figures. I hand seven figures. Yes, I'm an author of 6 books. Yes, I've written 6 books, and these are not ceremonial books. Are books that fetch me good money. Yes, and these books are all digital book. I don't have time to be printing. Maybe later I'll be printing my books, but now it's digital. I sell digital. Yeah. Now also, am also an entrepreneur. Like I said, a digital entrepreneur. I run a company called Mobile Communications and AfriGold International Technology. Mobile focus more on AfriGold International Technology is more of an IT consulting firm, while Mobile Communication is focuses or specializes on digital marketing, e-commerce, software development, web solution development, and digital business training. So, training for me is a passion. It took me a while to understand that I should have been a teacher or a lecturer naturally. I love teaching, but I don't teach nonsense. I teach things I understood, or things I understand, or things I am sure of. Yes, things that can beat my chest. So we also do digital business training. Um, I'm the founder of Video Nexa and Ezio Blazer. Video Nexa and Ezio Blazer are software. One of our software, two of our software, Video Nexa, is a marketing video creation software, while Ezio Blazer is an search engine optimization tools. 54 of those tools. These two software are selling like hotcake, especially in the international market right now. Although selling locally, but I love selling international. You know, it's easier now, based on my own understanding, to sell to international audience. The market is already mature. They already appreciate digital tools. Certain things you don't need to be explaining too much of what digital business all about. They already understood it. So you have a tool for them, then no problem. I'm also a founder of Monexa Online Magazine and Digital Business Academy, which is a Facebook group, and yes, trying to come up with a YouTube channel. Since I started, if I want to say formal training, I've trained over 3,000 people in digital skills. Um, I think I started as a running, being a self-employed person doing web designing. Then later, I run series of training for private schools in Lagos. Yes, before I migrated from that, then run IT training center, run couples of trainings, webinars, workshop, online workshop like this, um, private coaching, and my courses that people buy. I've shared digital skills for over 3,000. I'm just being moderate with this because I'm not even counting people who took up my free trainings. I'm looking at people who are registered um, premium users. So since 2005. Now I can tell you something. I started from scratch. Yes, I started from scratch. And let me quickly tell you my story. I think I started as a web design guy. Then I moved on setting up my own company. And while I was doing this, I thought I was making money. To be honest with you, I was making some money, but I thought I was making money until but I used to tell myself that the number of people that can design website are limited in number, not that they are not available. So compared to the population of my country, Nigeria, which is over 200 million now, I think so, estimated population. So how do I sell to large number of people? And yes, but along the line, I stumbled on a book that teaches how to start a small business and make big money. And that book really changed my life. From then, I realized that no, I need to be getting my product to massive audience instead of focusing on agency and business owners or individuals who need just a website. So from there, I added digital marketing and then started developing digital products. Started from an ebook because now I focus a lot on software development. I still design website, I do e-commerce website, I do copies of stuff, but software business I do a lot of in digital product, creating courses, writing books. I do a lot of this because they are very sweet. I will tell you later. So that is how I made some mistake. I created in the past. I created a book that did not sell up to 50. And why? Because I did the wrong thing. I created a book just on my passion. I didn't test the market if people are going to buy or not. So, but along the line, we learned that which type of book we should write. Write a book that people want to buy. But at least it was not really a total bad book. Although it's just that it didn't sell. I was writing that book. I was passionate, but I was dreaming that that book was going to sell oh, like 5,000 units because I believe people need it. But it's a different thing that when you create a product that you think people need and or what people really need. But along the line, I discovered the strategies to find out what people need and provide for them. And that's why today I've been doing good for myself. So and I can tell you, starting from that humble beginning, I made my mistakes, I learned, catch up, and like that, and I stabilized. And I can tell you, it's been amazing. And by the grace of God, I recently grew one of my digital product business to a $10,000 a month business. That when you grow a business to the level that you are sure that by the end of the month, at least $10,000 must come. Yes, I recently achieved that, and I have couples of products. Yes, I have couples of products in the market that I'm pushing out, and it's been fantastic experience. I love digital product. Don't get it twisted. I do physical product too. I do e-commerce, but digital product I love it because I don't have to look for the courier guy. I don't have to do all those courier problem, payment on delivery problem, and all those things. Digital product people more yes people pay me before they get access to the product, and at times it happens automatically, especially to international market. I don't have to do much apart from developing the product. So that is just it, and I can assure you, God has been merciful. Now, beyond that, apart from doing this for myself, to be honest with you, I've been able to help couples of people in the private coaching to help them achieve something. In fact, there was this guy, um, Michael. Michael is even doing better because he had more opportunity and has more time to face one of his projects. I do a lot of things, and this is even taking 12 minutes. That's why it delays to this period before I could create this workshop. I've been trying to create this workshop in last year, and all this whole of, and I've been busy. So anyone can do and do what I've done. You can grow you can start a digital business. It doesn't have to have any much of experience like I've done, and that exactly you anyone can do it and copy from my story. Now let me quickly share some of my income uh, on digital product. Why this is necessary? At times when you talk about money, people think money is big thing. Especially when they have not seen the money. If you tell someone that you can make 1 million naira per month, they want to faint. They think in a lie. It's a poverty mentality. And if you are listening to me, you have to remove it. Money is just figures. If you are doing the right business, I've been in that shoe before. I remember there was a time all what I was just looking for was 500,000 to set up my office. That was a long time ago, like about 15 years ago, if I could remember. So 1 million was big money to me then. But today, with launching of digital product and my digital business, I tell you, it's nothing. Now look at this. How much did you see? I mean, that is 11.4. Yes, 11,473,375 naira. That is what I'm able to generate from one digital product. Let me now shock you. Do you know this product? This product is an ebook. Yes, ebook is one of the hottest niche. Now you think in Nigeria ebook don't sell again. That's what they tell you, or maybe that's what you think. Maybe that's the reason why you have not created your ebook. Ebook don't sell. People don't buy ebook. Maybe you are writing the wrong ebook. I have been through that before. I wrote one book that was writing for the wrong audience. You get it. Um, the book did not sell until later when I took the book international and I sold hell out of it international. In international, yes. So you have to be sure of your audience. So that is one of it. Let's move on. I'm going to show you now. That's another one. It's not everything that will be rosy. Now look at this figure here. You can see 6.1 million naira from another digital product entirely, quite different from this one. And this one is also this one is also a digital product. I'm not showing you something about my e-commerce stuff now. Now that's another thing. Another one is this. Another product 1,174,000. Yes, now, and if you look at it below, it's just I sold just 119 copies of that product. Are you getting? These are products that I deliver digitally. Now, now I am showing you another one. This is 828,000 naira, and the total order was 92 orders placed, and you can see now this is another one, another product, 460,000 naira. I'm showing you now. If you are making, you might think 460 or 800 or like this 1 million. You might think they are they are too small or like these ones. No, if you have a digital product and it's bringing you this amount of money in a month, one of the product, not all the product, that is a lot of money. In fact, if you are a beginner, even this is what you can make in a 1 month, which is achievable. One product do yes hit 1 million in sales. Are you getting it? So Zoho is achievable. So even if your one product is giving you 460, it's good deal. I was one of my book last year during the lockdown. That's when I hit one product that I thought was not doing well in 2019, but last year he hit 1 million a month in sales. It's achievable. You just have to be consistent. You don't have to be looking shining object. You just have to do the real thing. Now I know if I say I show people you show people screenshot of your earning at the back end, some people will still be doubting. Now I'm going to take you to inside my I'm going to record another video where I'm going to go live and log into my back end, especially my bank statement. I'm going to be taking just one of my bank account, and if you see this, look at I have to cover this because this contains the names of the customers who pay, and it is morally wrong for me to be displaying their name because I want to let my audience know that but at the same time we have to show let the other people know that this thing are possible. Look at how the money are coming in 10, 12, 25, 9. That's how the money are dropping. Now look at this one too. That is a continuation from the same account. You can see 19, you can see 42 coming in, 10,000. So you can see 95,000, you can see 9, you can see 10, you can see 14, you can see 40, you can see all of this. This is how this money drop. This is just one account. You can see 20k, 7, 14, 19, 20, you can see 10, 15, 5. That is how this money drops. Now, why am I showing you this? This is money dropping in my own account gradually. Now, I know some of us who used to make a mistake. That mistake like 15 years ago when I started my web designing service. I was always looking for, and my ICT consultancy before. I was always looking for there I can get one big contract that will turn around my life. But the truth is this: everybody cannot be a contractor, and you may never get contract. But small money like this, 10,000, 20,000 adding together is what is making those 11 million, the 6 million, the 1 million, the 800,000, the 460,000 you saw the other time. That is how I pack them full. So don't stop this dream of, oh, I want to make all this prayer point of eating a contract of 10 billion, 1 billion, 100. It might never happen. But look for product that you can sell to mass audience for small money, like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or 50,000 or something. Gradually you start to develop financial management that will give you the guts to even charge people for a 1 million naira to render a service. So don't waste your time looking for that big business that's going to bring you big money. Rather start small business like this, that by the end of the month, by the time you are harding up, you will see your turnover and you will say, wow, from this 10 kobo product. That is how it works. Look at Dangote, for example. Have you taken Dangote salt before? That salt that you are using to cook is how much? 50 naira, 100 naira. That same salt is what Dangote is putting together that's making him the richest man in Africa. I hope you can learn from that. Let's move. But all this I've shown you, it's not about me. It's all about you. I want to see how you can also launch your digital product empire and make more money. I don't know if you're already making more money. Make more money. I know there's no how bad it is. You must be spending money. So no matter where you are, this workshop, this 3 days workshop is all about you. And I hope you're going to take advantage of this. Let's move. Now, before we proceed, this workshop is not going to be for everybody. So who is this workshop for? In case you want to start a new business, you need this workshop. You want to make more money, you want to start a side also, or you want to relocate abroad. You want to go to Canada, you have tried express entry, you have tried what do you call it, Atlantic immigration, rural by immigration. You have tried so many things. You have tried to do so many things. It didn't work. One of easiest way for a Nigerian or African to relocate abroad to countries like US, UK, Ireland, and Canada is a kind of business visa or entrepreneurship pathway or startup pathway. So if it's one of things you are dreaming of, you will discover how you can build a business that you can submit, use to apply, and then move to Canada or any of these countries that have entrepreneurship. That is your dream. We have different dreams. Some people are comfortable in Nigeria. To be honest with you, I've been very comfortable with Nigeria until the issue of NSAS protest. That was the first time I started to consider a alternative country to Nigeria. But we're saying Nigeria. So in case if traveling abroad is your dream, so you need to pay attention also to this lecture series. In the next 3 days, you will discover something amazing that's going to turn around your life. And guess what? If you build a good business, you might be in your way to Canada in few months, or let's say within next 1 year. Now, if you want to live your dream life, this lecture is for you. I can assure you, do you want to live your dream life? This lecture is for you. Now, if you want to avoid inflation effect of currency devaluation, in case you don't know, the last time I was trying to, I think 2 days ago, I was trying to fund my barter trade, barter this one by Flutterwave, this app, to fund it so that I can use to create a card and use it for my online advertising. While I was trying to fund my account in Naira, guess what? What I saw, 503. So in parallel market, naira has crashed to the level of 503 naira. Now let me tell you, if you are keeping 1 million naira in bank, or yes, since some years back when dollar was 270, so your 1 million is no more 1 million. In case you don't know, your 1 million is always half, like 500,000, like, or like 600,000. Excuse me, please let me quickly take water. Yeah, thank you. So in case you want to avoid the inflation effect, you have to do something. One of the things you should do is do the digital product. If you know how to launch a digital product, you will not fail no matter how much is naira, especially if you can do something better. Now, at the end of these 3 days workshop, I have a lot of valuable gifts for you to download. A lot. You have tons and those yours if you wait in 3 days. And all what you just need to do is after completing 3 days lecture, watch all the video, take action on recommendation, then just monitor your email. Couples of things will be sent for you as a gift for keeping faith and completing the lecture, the workshop series. And also in the future, I'm going to be sharing more ways for you to make money. Just don't don't be a workshop or seminar attendant for fun. Be an action taker. So that's just it. Now, it's also important to let you know that this lecture is 3 days, like I've said before. So after today, in the next 2 days, expect two other lecture. So before the end of this lecture, I will tell you more about the topic for tomorrow and the next tomorrow. So monitor your email box. In case it's important, I will advise you had my email info@moritala.com. I will advise you add it to your friend address or whitelist it on your email box so that all the email I will send you is going to be delivering directly to your primary inbox. Now, what is the rule? Anytime where there's no rule, there cannot be offense. Then what is the rule for this workshop series? Now, let me tell you before we move on. This is not about overnight success. When I say overnight, all this do nothing make money. No, I'm not. So that's why when I was trying to come out with a title to run my ad, I deliberately did not use how to make money. The objective of this is how to make money, but I don't want to use how to make money because this has been overflogged. This has been abused. So people have taken MMM to how to make money. They take Ponzi scheme to how to make money. All those useless do nothing make money tactics. That is an organized scam. So this is not an overnight success. Truly, you can achieve overnight success. But I don't want to put your mind on you expect to sleep and wake up today and things happen. Now you have to work, put some work. That is how to make a living, and I'll be explaining more on that. Now, this for one of the rules is that before you proceed with this workshop, you should be ready to launch at least one digital business during after the workshop. As this lecture with these 3 days, you should be ready to launch your own product or immediately after the workshop. That should be something you pick up that you can learn and you can launch immediately because you don't have to procrastinate some. So some people say, I want to buy a laptop, I want to get office. You don't need to get all those things before you start. So don't give excuses. I don't like people who give excuses. Then you must be passionate about building a profitable business. It's a passion. You'll be passionate about it. Because if you are not passionate, before you know, you just forget. They will tell you, come and put your money in this Ink Nation, all this nonsense. Before you know, you have forgotten, and you say, "Oh, internet, uh, internet. There's no way to make money online. Everybody online is, everyone online is a scammer." No, all those things you have is because you have done the wrong thing, or you have fall, uh, um, you have fall a victim of Nigerian factor. So let's move on. Now, what are the problems that most people face? I don't know which one you face right now. Is it that you lack money at all? Is it that you lack money at all? Or nothing is working? Maybe you have tried different online businesses and nothing is working. I don't know. or maybe you have failed, you have wasted your money, you put money in MMM, it failed, you put this on. These are not businesses, they are fraud, they are an organized fraud. So maybe there's no job, maybe you are a graduate, you left schools, no job yet. Maybe you are just managing, I don't know. Or maybe you are even working and the salary is poor. Um, you'll be shocked that even bank, I know two people who work in the bank. I've even interviewed people while I was recruiting who work with the bank. I know how many of you want to who work in the bank and earn 30,000 naira, I earn 70,000 naira. So some of you who are dream, I want to work in the bank, blah blah blah. Don't think they are just packing money. Two people that I knew personally who have worked in the bank and earned 30,000 naira. Two of them are ladies, and in fact, one of them, the story was so pathetic. Out of the 30,000 naira, she was in marketing. She marketing was not just to bring an account; she had to bring corporate account. Out of this 30,000 naira, that is where she's going to do move around for our transport. If I mention the name of the bank, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not here to demarket anybody. So I don't know what if you are earning poor salary or your business is not doing well. Oh, come on. Then start digital business. Or maybe you have been doing the digital business the wrong way. You are not getting results. One thing that is, or maybe no sales. One thing that is very common today in Nigeria, a lot of Nigerians know how to start internet business, especially e-commerce. A lot of Nigerians know how to import from China, but a lot of people don't know how to sell. Now everybody has become wholesaler. Everybody say, come and buy wholesaler, come and pack. That's a story for another day. I'm going to be telling you about that opportunity in e-commerce any other day. Losing money to get rich quick scheme. You have lost money to MMM. You have lost money to Ink Nation or something. I remember like to that last year, someone was telling me about Ink Nation. Say they are collecting money. Say, sir, don't join. He said, this guy was telling me, say, whoever is telling you to come and join the Ink Nation of a thing, please tell the person to borrow you money. You realize that that person will not disturb you again. I think 2 days ago, I read online that the founder of Ink Nation was arrested somewhere in Kano. They have declared him wanted in last year. They have been looking for him. He was just arrested. So I don't know if you have also fall victim or maybe they've told you that cryptocurrency will be permitting money. Maybe at the end of the day, maybe something happened. I don't know because I'm not saying cryptocurrency is fraud. Don't get it twisted. But the truth is, there are a lot of fraudulent coins that they are using to deceive people. I don't trade crypto anyway, but I've learned a lot about it. Let me even shock you. You also can even put up a website and call it coin. You can call it Kunle coin, Wale coin, nonsense coin, and you sell it to some people. So these are also so it might be I don't know if you have, but no matter what the problem you are facing, either financial or whatever or career problem, all of those things will soon change. If 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 what? If you can listen to me, complete this leg workshop series, take action on my recommendation, then I can tell you those things will change for good, not for worse. From today on, your life will change for good, not forward. It's forward, not backward. Now, why you need to launch your own digital product? Number one, there are big opportunities there. Big opportunity that you can't imagine. It's only when you start to say, one of the things I did was I should have started my digital product long time. But it is better late than never. That's you will discover, say, wow, I launched a business last year, and I was like, wow, I've been wasting time. I should have launched this in 3 years. There's another product I launched, I think 3 months now. I was like, what I've registered the domain since last year, and I just left the domain there. So there are so many opportunity. Then it also when you launch, you run a digital product. It's also give you opportunity to live your dream life. Yes, it is also easier than other businesses. Yes, easier. It's also cheaper to start compared to physical business that you have to rent a shop, rent an office, or even build, buy this, buy table, run generator in the office, buy, digital products. Even if you live in a face me and face you, let me assure you, you can start. Now another thing is that you set it up once and you continue to smile. When you set up a good product and you just do it, you continue to smile. You are not doing delivery. It's just that people are down, they are getting access to your platform. That's all what you need. It is also very very rewarding. Let me assure you of that. Very rewarding. Yes, you get a lot of reward. In fact, when you launch digital product, money will become so tiny in your face. You won't see 1 million, you won't see 100,000 as money, you won't see 1 million as money because you are going to be earning the salary that even bank manager cannot earn from your own effort. And these are the things you do once and it is also very profitable. You know why? The overhead is very low. Yes, the cost you are incurring is very low. So it makes it very profitable no matter how much you are charging. Yes, it doesn't require big capital. Also, although this is debatable, it depends on aspect of digital product you are going. Some really require money, like you're going to put a lot of money in hosting and all those things. But yeah, that digital product that you can practically start even today. Yes, today you don't need to look for a lot of money. Yes, now it can also help you relocate. That's one of the reasons why you need, like I said before, if you have been looking for a way to relocate abroad and it has never worked, one of the things you can do is to have a business that is acceptable. Excuse me, a business that is acceptable by this country like US, UK, Ireland, and Canada, which I know about very very well. So if you can build up a good startup, you can use that to apply for entrepreneurship or what they call a startup visa. Yes, then before you know, you move and your family, even if you have some, they are like you can even move some of your employee. If you have employee in Nigeria, you can move them abroad. Yes, it's not difficult. Quite different from all these federal entry, all these struggling for visa. Some people only God know how much they spend on visa. Simple something like this can help you relocate abroad easily, easily, easily. Hello, you're welcome back. Now let's continue with this part of the workshops. Now, like I was saying, what you don't know is what you don't know. Yes, what you don't know is what you don't know. So, but let me tell you something. What I want to show you, what you're about to discover, is how to make money and build a profitable digital business. Yes, profitable and sustainable business. When I mean sustainable business, it's kind of business you do that you exchange value for money, not one of those wasting time wasting issues you do. They say put money, go and sleep, your money work, and then you come and pack, put 10,000, come and collect 100,000. Business don't work that way. Don't get it twisted. Business can make you a fortune, can make you a good money, but that will be based on your profit, on your not when you just don't do anything. The more you get, maybe you start with 10 customer, then your customer increase to 100 to 1,000. That's how business grow. So once your customer increase and your profit increase, then you're going to make more money. So that is it. Now, what is digital products business? What is digital product? Digital products are the type of digital product business type of business where you are dealing with buying and selling of product that people cannot see physically. They can only hear of it, or they can touch it, or they can participate in virtually. They are not going to touch it on, like when I say I want to buy a laptop, which has a physical product. I want to buy a deep freezer. So people are going to be buying things that are digital, that are not physical. So that's digital product. So it can be book, can be anything, can be software, can be anything. So how to succeed with digital product business? Let me quickly walk you through this. Your mindset matters. If you want to succeed with digital product, don't come with a get rich quick scheme. Don't go with some Nigerian mentality, scam them and run away. You can't run away with internet. People will hunt you down. Let me tell you this. In fact, let me emphasize this. So your mindset should be, I want to offer value, I want to make money, I want to build a good business, I want to turn it around. You have good dream for your business. Don't be one of those who just want to launch product, take money and disappear. No. Then small business, big money mentality. Now, um, most of us are guilty of this. If you are into business, there's a point in time in your business you are going to be dreaming of getting contract. Want big money to come. Has it come? So, but instead of doing that, why don't you think of a small business you can start that's going to fetch you big money? Digital product is one of them. So you want to succeed with it, come with this, let me start so that you can sell product of 5,000, product of 10,000, product of 15, like that. And then you're going to be increasing your profit. Now, determination, you have to be determined. Don't go and say, you are giving excuses, I need to do this first. You are wasting time. You have to determine. Then uh, every business has its own challenges. So be determined. Then hard work. Don't let anybody tell you, oh, you don't need to work hard, you work smart. Don't work smart to end in trouble. Work hard, then you can add smart to it. Now, when you have a digital product, make sure you provide support. People love it when you provide support, especially because people will ask you, okay, can I do this? Can I do this? So it's better you define what your support you're going to be giving people. So that's it. Another thing, be reasonable. Be reasonable in what you do. You have to be reasonable if you want to succeed. For example, you want to set up a digital product business where you're going to be making 10 million and you don't want to make commitment. You don't want to make sacrifice. Don't want to spend money at all. It doesn't work that way. You will spend some money. It doesn't have to be big money. So in fact, it might be the cost of your hosting because it might be your major investment. Then you can turn it around. Then change or improve whatever that is not working. I need to tell you this. Maybe you have been selling something before, you have sold, you have launched a book before it failed, you have launched a video course it failed. You need to find out why. Either you change it or you improve it. For example, the first book I created, I created it out of passion because of skills. I didn't find out people are going to buy. Nigerians did not buy until I take the same book to international platform. That's where I sold. That's a mistake I made. I wrote a book for Nigerians, the book they don't want to buy. They have to look for market internationally. So whatever that is not that you are doing right away that is not working for you, change it or improve it. Don't come and say, hey, nothing works. Hey, all internet business is not scam. You don't know. You don't know, like I stated earlier. Now, what is your qualification to start a digital business? You don't need a degree. You don't need to study computer science. You don't need to study marketing. You don't need experience. You start now, in fact, when you start now, in the next 1 month, you will have gotten experience. By the next 1 year, you will have gathered experience. For example, I remember when I started using WordPress. It was like those days there were no serious development on it like this. But today, there's practically nothing I cannot use WordPress to do. So it's experience. Yes, it's experience. So you learn it, you get the experience as you are doing it. Don't say, hey, I need someone, I need can no, just give. Do you need a lot of money? You need money, but not a lot of money. But you have a lot of money to make here. Let me tell you. Now I'm going to be discussing 7 digital product business you can start without a prior experience. You don't need to have experience in this before you can start. Yes, that's what I want to discuss with you now. Now, number one is ebook. What is ebook? It's a digital book that people can download. So once you gather your idea, you take it to MS Word, and then there's a separation under the menu Save As. You see Save As other file, then you see Save As PDF. Bam, you name your PDF, your ebook is ready. Although there are other format of ebook like EPUB, like other stuff like that you can use, but that is one easier. Even your audience, virtually everybody have Acrobat Reader, so they can easily download. Don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you how to get the content later. Can you allow me to take water? I need to take water now. Once you created your book, you just convert it using PDF. Then you can look for a way to create a cover for it so that I can look to you format it very well. If you don't know how to format, don't worry. This is a thing you can give to people at business centers to do for you. And yes, and don't say I don't need laptop. You know. So this is a video course. The next one is video course. You can create a video. Yes, a video is one of the digital products you can start. There are two ways to create a video. Let's assume you are a lawyer and you want to teach people about laws, about how they can escape being defrauded when they are buying land. So you can just do a selfie video, you do your curriculum, you outline what you want to teach, you pick them topic by topic and get someone to record you. And you can do something like the one I'm doing, use a screencast software to record. Yes, you can do it. So that is how to create video course. No any magic. All over the world, that's how you do it. Then membership program. Our membership program comes with subscription like you have a thing you want to share, maybe resources or something. Then you ask people to pay you monthly or yearly on one-time fee to access the membership. Most of the time, if you want to build membership, you build it via website, memberships website. And depends on that. If you are using WordPress, there are a lot of membership plugin you can use to lock down your content. For example, do you know that the ebook you created, that maybe people are not, you have not been, or maybe you have sold the ebook version? Let me shock you. Just if let's assume you create an ebook you are selling for 10,000. Maybe you create a video course you are selling for 20,000. If you turn it to membership, do you know that people can pay 100,000 for the same thing? So you just ask, you can ask them to pay for 5,000 per month or something. So use the easiest way to do this is using WordPress plugin. Now, I advise you, if you want to do things easily on digital business, you need to move towards WordPress. However, if you don't know how to do it, it's a thing you can outsource. Then software and tech startup. This is pot of soup. If you are not aware, you need to be aware now. You need to be thinking on how to create your own software company. Yes, I'm going to discuss this on the third day of this lecture. I'm going to discuss this extensively. So it's one of the business you can start. It's not difficult to start. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't have to have a lot of money. It's one of the secrets I want to share with you on the third day of this workshop. Now, event, seminar, conference, and workshop. Like you know what is, you can do the same thing digitally. You can organize conferences, webinar, fairs, Zoom, fair YouTube, fair different technology, and you charge people. You get like this workshop I'm doing now. I could have charged you for 5,000 and 10,000 to attend. It's only people that attend that will make sure get access. I will just restrict my video. It's only people that pay that can access it. So you can teach something. Let's assume you wrote a book on relationship, on how to woo a lady or how to keep a man. Then you can convert the same content of the book to a lecture in a seminar that people will come and attend and pay you for. I hope you are flowing with me. So it's as simple as that. Now, digital publishing. Digital publishing include you can be publishing an online magazine. Don't wait till when you want to print. You can publish online magazine in a niche, maybe on sports, on health, on fashion, on beauty, health and fitness, in any way. And if it's on politics, you can decide it. Then you can also create a YouTube channel and run your online TV. You can even grow your YouTube channel and People are going to post their movies on your channel for revenue sharing. Google is going to pay you, advertisers is going to pay you, you're going to make money from affiliate and a lot of things. Then digital agency consult and consulting business. I love this. That your skill, you can acquire digital skill. You can be running agency that is supporting people managing their social media account. That's social media agency. You can be offering digital marketing services for people as an agency. You can do it. You can consult that thing you know or thing you just learn. You can consult for people. For example, if you say you can come and consult with me and say you want to do this, I will tell you this is my consultancy. I will do this for you. I will do this for you, and you do this online. You don't need an office to do this. It's one of the business you should do. You can be helping people promote their product online. That's a digital marketing agency. You can so many things like that you can do. You can do web agency, designing website for people, or SEO agency, or video marketing agency. You can do that. Now let's quickly let me walk you through the hot niches that you need to pay attention to if you want to make real money selling digital product. Number one is, I listed them not by order of hierarchy, just I have to leave them. It depends on what you are creating. Health and fitness, something like you are providing solution to people that have stroke, solution to people that have a fibroid. You can create a digital product on this. You just research it. Or people want to lose weight, then make money. A lot of people want to make money. You also want to make money. If you know a way, a genuine business that people can do genuinely, not all those get rich quick scheme. So don't go and teach people what doesn't work. They will go after you. Now, things that work, you can teach them. So you can teach people for money. Yes. Then software. Can you develop a good software? Create a good software. Software is what Yoruba call, or the streets call, Ojawo. You make a lot of money. And don't deceive yourself and say, which software can I create again? Bill Gates has created all. It's a lie. We are creating software and we are making a lot of money from this. Now, digital skills. You have some skills. For example, if you are good in digital marketing, it's a thing you can learn or pay attention to. You can make money teaching people creating digital product out of this. Relationship, marriage, and family. Do you know some guy don't know how to woo a lady? How to get a lady to be to follow to be their girlfriend? You can come in and teach them how to do all these things. Write a book, you will sell. There are some people who have a problem in their marriage. Why do you think people go to counselor or they go to pastor to counsel them? You can write a book that solves marital problem, family problem, parenting problem. It's a place you should go. Then we have something called embarrassing niches. Are you getting it? No, things that embarrass people. For example, somebody that is having a mouth odor will be embarrassed by the odor. Can you solve the problem? At times, yes, women used to body shame themselves. Can you help that woman that have eczema and the stretch mark all over? That is embarrassing her. Solve a problem. Then beauty. A lot of our women want to be beautiful. Can you create a product on beauty for them? So these are some of the niches you need to pay attention to. Then how to launch a successful digital product. What are the things that you need to do? You want to launch successful. Number one is research hot in demand niches. Yes, you need to research it if you want to be successful. Don't just go and create something blindly and think people will buy. No, you need to be sure that people are going to buy. Then look for a staffing crowd. Look for a group of people or niche who have been looking for something seriously. Provide solution, then identify their problem. These niches and the staffing crowd, provide solution to it. Once people see your solution, it will be not difficult. I launched a product on earth. People I sold it to are total strangers and they bought a lot. So Create product from this staffing crowd. These people who have been looking for you, looking for your product. Then we have, you can white label, you can private label. Then like label and private that somebody has already made the product. You don't stress yourself, you don't need to be investigating and researching, packaging. Person has already packaged, you just take it to market, make money and deliver and set your own price. So once you now have a product, take it to market. How to take it to market is sell, sell and sell. Make hell of money out of this. Now, how do you sell your digital product? Do your market research. Know where your audience is. Are you getting it? If your audience is in Lagos, don't advertise to the whole of Nigeria. Yes. So if your audience is in Kano, advertise to only Kano. Do your research. Now develop marketing strategy. Do you want to use content marketing? Do you want to use Facebook ad? Do you want to use influential marketing? Develop your strategies on what you want to use. Now create sales website or you call sales page. Your products should have website. You might have one generic website for all your products. Yes, it's very important. You need to generally do a lot. So if you have a website, drive traffic to your website. Yes. Then whatever traffic that's coming, try to convert them to sales. Put all those things that will get them to trust you and buy from you. Then once you have done the cash out, make your money fine. And any of these strategies, any of these things that you have done that's working for you, rinse and repeat. It's simple. Do it again and again and continue to make money. I can assure you of that. Then, what are the tools you need to launch a digital product business? You need knowledge. Yes, you need knowledge. You need skills, your expertise. This is the first thing you need. Don't waste your time and say, no, I will not do this. You need knowledge. When you're an authority now, I'm teaching this topic because if you know how long I've been doing digital product, that I'm just creating a webinar workshop on it now. Apart from people I've trained, because I've become an authority in what I do. So this expertise is needed. Knowledge is needed before. Those are people say I want to buy a laptop first. You don't give excuses. In fact, spend that your money you want to use on knowledge. I remember when I launched my web agency, guess where I used to design website? From Cyber Cafe. From there I bought my system, I bought another system, I bought laptop. I was buying Tokumbo. I keep on moving until I was able to afford to buy a brand new laptop. And as I'm talking to you today, it just definitely is. So it's not you don't say I need laptop. Knowledge is very, very important. Now web server. If you are going to be hosting a website, you will need web server to be hosting your product. Maybe people are going to be downloading it. Don't worry, it's not difficult to do that. Then you just apply to host company. They give you where you want to host your website, or you give outsource it to someone to do for you. Now website. Create a website for your product, for your business, so you can deliver your products via the website. People can come and download, people can come and watch tutorials. Then WhatsApp and Telegram. You can also you will also need of, apart from website and server, you also need WhatsApp and Telegram. Yes, if that's the way you want to deliver a product. Some people prefer to organize their training on WhatsApp. That's okay, but I prefer website. I would recommend you do website. But if it's WhatsApp and Telegram that you can start from, go ahead. Then you need internet, access to the internet. Yes, you need it. These are one of the tools you need. Then you don't need an office. Don't let anybody, you don't deceive yourself. Hey, I want to rent an office. I want to buy a laptop. You will not do anything. No. Let the business buy you and rent an office and buy you whatever you need. Let me tell you that. So what next? Now that you have known about the digital product business, what next? You have three options. You can stay where you are now, be giving excuses, and maybe it's a scam, and maybe can it come. So you have these options. Option two, take action and launch your next digital product. Don't waste time. If it's a book you can launch, go ahead. If it's a video course, go ahead. If it's an event, a workshop you can hold and get paid, go ahead. So don't waste time. And if it's software, the sweetest of, so go ahead and take action. So the third option is for you start making money and live your dream life. So anyone you like, I believe the last two is okay for you. So question for you before I move on: what does more money means to you? 30,000, $3,000, $10,000, $5,000, $25,000, $100,000. What does it mean to you? These are money you can make. That's to me, to you, it means more money, more freedom, more financial independence, financial security, better life, next level dream life, an opportunity to build a global business. That is what more money you are going to make for this mean to you. So try and make it. So there are three type of people: those that make things happen, those that watch things happen, and those that are wondering what just happened. Which one do you belong to? Are you a spectator or you are an actor? I think you should be an actor. If you are not yet an actor, be a participant. Now we are moving closer to the end of the lecture. So day two, you are going to be getting. I will send you a mail for the day two, exclusive for you, exclusive to you, how to make 1 million naira monthly from digital product using that effort. You think 1 million is a lot of money? Wait till that day, you will know that 1 million is not money and you can achieve it. Day three is how to build a $10,000 a month software business without programming knowledge. Like I do, you don't need to be a programmer to set up your software, and you will make money, money and money. So then the second day, which is tomorrow, don't worry. I know we have been worrying, asking, how do I create a product? Where do I start? Don't stress yourself. Tomorrow, I'm going to be teaching you how you can, I'm going to be showing you how you can tap from other people's effort and create a product that will be generating 1 million naira for you every blessed month. Yes, it is possible. You can achieve it. So watch out for the next two lectures. Don't miss it. Check your mail. If you have used wrong email, go and use your email to resign up again. um, Also importantly, the videos will be taken down, and there's no every assurance that you're going to get replay. So make sure you don't joke with the video. As you got it, watch it, pay attention, and jot something down. So I'm going to say this importantly: don't miss the video. Now, so do you still have questions you want to ask me? Then talk to me on WhatsApp. Talk to me on WhatsApp. This is my phone. It's the WhatsApp number: 09095260424. Reasonable questions, send it to me. Then below this video, if you open the comment section on it, you can also drop your opinion and question. But please be good. Now that is the end of this lecture. Now don't miss these next two lectures. They are very important. Don't worry. I know you are asking yourself questions. Don't worry. I've made the whole thing easier for you. You can launch your product tomorrow or next tomorrow. Yes, you can launch your product or next tomorrow. Or let's say this week, you can take your product to the market. Then if you want to launch your software, the third day is the boom. So don't miss anything. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget, I'm a WhatsApp chat away from you. I'm here to help you, but I only want to help serious minded people, not those who play around. Please, I'm sorry. I'm not saying you are not serious, but I just need to say it. You have to be extra serious for me to be able to respond and help you. Thank you. God bless you.